What is that? Is that a card? Hippity. Want to do it again? Let's do it again. Ready? Hippity hoppity. Yeah! You like that? I know, it's fun, huh? We could do this all day. And what's this? Is this your little baby chick book? So soft. You been reading? We've been reading this all morning. It's so cute. Thank you so much, Gammy and Pop Pop. Say thank you. Say thank you. She's reading. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks. I'm going to eat my vest and read a book now. Okay, say bye-bye, Riles. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No.